Myself Mythili from Emmanuel Sir JJ College of Engineering, CSE department. I am going to introduce about data structures. Data structure is a particular way of organizing data in a computer. It can be stored efficiently. Data structure is not only used for organizing the data, it also used for processing, retrieving and storing data. What are the advantages of data structure? Why we use data structure? Data structure modification is easy. It requires less time. It saves memory space. Data we can represent will be easy to access to large database. What are the two types of databases? Data structures. One is linear data structure, one is non-linear data structure. Linear data structure is also called a sequential data structure. Non-linear data structure is also called as non-sequential data structure. What do you mean by linear data structure? Linear data structure means elements which will be arranged in sequential order or in correct manner. That is called linear data structure. Example, we can say a stack, queue, etc. list also. Non-linear data structure. Elements which are arranged in non-sequential order are called as non-linear data structure. For example, tree, graph, table, etc. So now we are going to see what are the classification of a data structures. First one is array. What do you mean by array? Array is a collection of data items stored as continuous memory location. What do you mean by continuous memory location? For every array element, we will store elements in a continuous manner. That is called continuous elements location. Linked list. What do you mean by linked list? Linked list is a linear data structure. The elements are linked using pointers. In linked list, we can use pointers. Next, seeing about stack. Stack is a linear data structure which follows a particular order in which the operations are performed. What are the major stack operations we will perform? First one is push. Next one is pop. Top, size is empty. What do you mean by push? When this operation is performed, element is inserted into a stack. What do you mean by pop? If we want to remove an element, we can remove it from the stack. What is mean by top? The element which is present at the top of the stack will be given for us. Okay. Next is size. Number of elements or the list of elements present in the stack. What do you mean by is empty? Is empty means that if the stack is full, we will return false. What do you mean by queue? Queue is a linear data structure. In queue, for example, it will be considered as first in, first out manner. The person who are going first will get the things first. That is called queue. So it is called as first in, first out. So what are the queue operations? NQ, DQ, peak, rear, is full, is null. What do you mean by NQ? The same as push operation. The element we can insert it into the queue. What is DQ? The same as pop operation. Removal of elements. What is peak? The topmost element. What is rear? Rear are without removing it. Is full means if the queue is full, we will return the element out. Is null means check if the element is null. Thank you. Have a nice day.